So I'm super excited for this because this is my first product review. And I have a great opportunity to go ahead and check out this latest in massage technique tools. And as you can see, we're opening up the box here. It came in a really neat package. And if you're familiar with Graston technique, it's kind of similar. The only difference is that metal that you see right there on the device provides heat. So as we're going to be scraping tissue, soft tissue, we're going to be applying heat and vibration because there is vibration that comes through the device. So let's go ahead and begin today by checking out one of my patients who has been willing to go ahead and let me utilize this new product on them today. So this is my patient X. He is a 82-year-old gentleman. He's got severe atrophy of his right quad, and then he's got a very hypertonic lower left leg. So I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to start out on the lower left leg to really start digging out the tissue here, especially the perineals, because he's putting so much pressure, so much weight on this left leg that the perineals and the calf, everything here is getting really overworked, trying to get him just to go ahead and walk at a decent clip. So I've gone ahead and set it to its initial heat setting, which is going to be 40 degrees Celsius. This is a company that does do things kind of more over in Australia. And so, things will be in Celsius, even though you can make the conversion very easily. Now, the neat thing is I tried the various different angles of the device. So I initially started with the more flat, broader surface to go ahead and work into the calf. And then what I did was I started using both the more pointy end and then the more rounded end to really try to get into the perineals themselves. And also to kind of outline the calf and try to get in a little bit more underneath towards the soleus, which you kind of can't see from the video. The other thing I wanted to do with the patient as well was really to work out the quad muscle. Start really stripping it down along with the IT band and then starting to get into the adductors as well. So again, here I'm using the broader contact and I'm standing this way so I can pull kind of tissue down towards his leg, because the idea here is to try to really allow for that leg to lay flat, to have a little bit more knee extension by going ahead, really allowing that quad to start to relax a little bit more, trying to get it up into those adductors as well. Now, I did check the patient, to see how he was doing with the heat setting. When we went to the quad, we increased the heat setting a little bit more to see what he noticed. You could see that erythral reaction to the skin, noticing that you're breaking down kind of old tissue and really healing the property a little bit better. It's going to be curious. I will be curious to see what happens with this particular patient because I'm very interested in this product. Now, again, you're going to be seeing other videos where we're going to take a look at some other patients regarding chronic ankle injuries and also to looking at some knee injuries as well as some upper back, mid back injuries as well.